Trish test. So let's see what we were doing here. Okay, going back. This is the original execution, right? This came from the day 2 of pyImageSearch tutorial. It found 6 objects. Okay, this is I'm trying to count Lego bricks using an image that I have, right? So let's use this image. Trying different threshold levels and finding them, but I was a little concerned about the coloring here. That was an error on my part. It was the way I was using the threshold. I don't know if I have a correction for that here. Let me see. So let's open this and resize threshold. Okay, so the reason it was happening was because the threshold that I was using, I did not say what I said. The last one that I used, which was pass to define contours, irrelevant at this point, but said if it's 135, I think if it's less than 135, show it as one color. If it's greater than 135, I should have said use 225, and I didn't. So now let me do that. So the last image in this test thresh execution should have a white. But there is more. And now I'll tell you about this. Okay, see? So this is the white background. So I was not using the parameter correctly to create a binary image, right? So it's white or black. So the other problem I realized was that in the original execution, it was white on black, not black on white. So again, just to remind you about that, in the original with the Tetris blocks, the thresh was white on black, and that's what they were detecting, right? So white on black. And so I've been working with black on white. And so I created another script called Count Bricks. I think that's what's, and I created also, so I'm starting to try to figure out why isn't it working with mine, right? Because every time I run mine through, I'm never getting more than one image. So then I went and I created some new images that were digitally created. So obviously binary, right? And so, and I'm running these through what I call Count Bricks. So here's one that has a circle. It did the gray image thresh. So, oh, look at that. Oh, it should be white on black, and this is black on white. Oh, that's probably it. Contours, it didn't find the contours. Black on white. Oh. So when it comes back from the thresh, it's coming back with the wrong orientation. It's coming back with, oh, so let's see if I set this to Trish test and I set it to, I'm not sure exactly how this works, so let's set it to 0 here. Maybe Trish has. So it's almost like I need to flip to have something that flips the images, the image color. If it's black, make it white. If it's white, make it black. Or just get the Thresh to work, and I'm not really sure why that's not working. So anyway, there we go. Okay, image, gray, edged. Yay! Yay, it's finding them! I found 4 objects! So it's the Thresh function. It's the Thresh function. Yay! Okay. I was concerned. I was like, is it the shape? Is it the... oh, so now I know what to do to test it. I can go and take the icky, naturally created image and process and, yes, hand modify it so that it's a binary image and then see what comes out. But, hey, not bad, right? Ta-da!